What's poppin', y'all? So we gonna get into it, right to it. So as you guys see me right here, I'm using my edge booster and I'm laying down her baby hairs. You want to make sure you slick them back and get them out of the way. Go ahead and use that rat comb and do what you need to do to make sure that you protect the edges. So we're not pulling out no edges, we're not pulling out no baby hairs, we're not doing none of that. Okay, and moving on. Now I'm going through with a cotton swab and I'm cleaning off the excess oil from her edges and now the ball cap. If your ball cap is not stretched out, if it's not stretched out, then I don't know what to tell you. But you're going to stretch it out. You're going to cut small ear holes. You don't need to cut nothing big, and you're just going to adjust the ears to the cap. And don't worry about cutting in the lines doing that, because that's even better. We need it to be bald headed, a bald headed scaly wig. Okay, so now I'm going through with my Lace Glue Extreme Hold from Venus Beauty Center. And we're just going to apply this directly above the hairline. You don't want it directly on the edges. You want it like a centimeter, a centimeter above the hairline. And you're just going to apply the glue there. And yeah, we're going to go back with the rat tail comb. As you guys see me spreading it back, you want to make sure that it's thin. You don't want clumps and you want it to be applied thinly. Okay, so here's a slow down, regular time or whatever. And just spread it out. With my lace glue, it is fast drying and whatnot. And and it has an extreme hold. Okay. In this video, y'all see my hair? Uh okay. The hair is giving what it needs to be giving. Okay, this makeup is from Walgreens and I got so many different shades because I'll be doing hair so much. But this from Walgreens, I think it was like $8 if that. You want to make sure it's oil free though, because if it has oil in it, then it's going to make your install slide back. It's not going to last as long, and you're just gonna apply it on the cap and make sure you get it where you applied the glue at. Just put it up on there, rub it on there, get the job done. Okay, so moving forward, if you are doing your own hair, you do not have to sew the thread back. You don't got to do that. Honestly, I just tie it in the back, but for my clients' purposes, I always sew it back. I don't leave on the whole cap just because they're not gonna see all of that. They're not gonna see that. Do you just want to make sure that it's full frontal? So you want to make sure that the frontal half of the ball cap is with makeup and it's there because the rest of it don't matter. So right here I'm cutting it. We're cutting all of that. It's unnecessary to keep all of that on. Um, and right here, you guys are going to see me cutting it. I'm pulling it up and I'm cutting it just to make sure that there's no excess cap left. The unnecessary cap, I don't need it. So you see me cutting off extra pieces that I don't need. And now we're going back through with an alcohol wipe again to get any excess alcohol, any excess makeup that was spread there at the moment. So right here, this is where she's worn this wig before. She's had this wig probably for over a year now. And we're just making sure that I did not apply the ball cap too far ahead. And we're just remeasuring it to make sure that I don't need to redo the ball cap method or I don't need to. You just want to make sure that the ball cap is not further than the lace. And right here, I also put it on if it fits. Then I'm just going to fold it back. So when I do apply it, it's so much easier. So right here, we are back with my lace glue extreme hold. And we are applying the layers in between the skin and the cap. Okay, so when you're doing this, you want the glue to be in between the skin and the cap. and I'm going in a back and forth motion, and I'm spreading it out thinly. As you guys see, I'm applying the glue, and I'm gonna spread it around, and I don't know how to explain it. Let me show y'all real quick. I'm gonna show y'all, hold on, because it's coming up. But if you need to apply extra glue, you can do that also too. But let's see. So every time I do use it, I'm making sure that I clean it off. But like right here, look, we're gonna push it back and forth in a back and forth motion. The glue is the excess glue is gonna get onto the comb, and we're gonna spread that around. You don't you a small amount goes a long way. Spreading it out. I'm spreading it out thinly, and y'all, I don't care if I mess up. We gonna keep the voiceover because I don't got time. This is a 15-minute video. But anyways, we're spreading it out. And also, guys, you see, every time that I'm applying the glue, I'm switching up the angle. Okay, you see how fast the glue dried? Yeah. So spreading it, you guys see how I'm spreading it back. I picked up that glue and I put it on the other side. That's what I'm talking about. Sometimes you just need to make sure that you spread the glue out thinly. You don't want no lumps. You don't want no clumps. You don't want no pieces of glue and it's drying on the top, but the glue up under it is not dry. I hope I explained that right. But we gonna spread that out. We're gonna do like what, 3 layers? That's what the girls be saying. I do 3 layers. If the girls are like dancers or they're about to go on a trip and act like a hot girl, we apply some more layers, but my extreme hold glue is very strong and you are able to maintain your install for 2 weeks with the proper care. But as you guys see, I'm spreading the glue out in the most thinnest way with my rat tail comb, and in between those processes, I am cleaning it off with the alcohol wipe or whatever. Okay? So this part, I am using my comb and my fingers to apply it. Don't think you cannot reuse your unit, ladies. Reuse the unit. If it's a good unit, reuse the unit. Okay? And it's already looking like a scalp, and we just getting into it. So sometimes you have to pull and snug it or whatever. But sometimes even using your fingers. And this is ensuring that the install is going to be flat. We start from the middle and we go down to the edges. Okay, so now I am pulling out some hair. I'm pulling out some hair. I'm pulling out some hair so we can go ahead and tie it up and whatnot. Or whatever. I might redo this voiceover because that's, fuck it. Anyways, so we're going to do the same on the other side. This is going to make sure that it's flat. You want it flat. You want it to be scalp. Okay, so you're going to pull out that excess hair. And don't worry, y'all, we got a couple more steps to make sure that it's looking top notch. Okay? So we're just pulling out the hair, and as you guys see, it's lifting right there. So we're going to flatten it out with my fingers. I love using my fingers. It makes sure that the install is flat, and I also like using the not the hot comb, the rat tail comb to make sure that it's uh, getting, that is flat. Yeah. Okay, so this section right here, I'm styling the hair. I just put some, what's that? Bio silk. I love bio silk. Bio silk, I use it for curling. I use it for flat iron. It just add a little extra shine, a little razzle dazzle. Okay, you dig what I'm saying? And right here, I'm just styling the hair. That curler, I don't know what it's called. The curler that I got, that's from, where is that place called? Ulta. 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 It's from Ulta. And look at that. Scalp. It's already it's already giving scalp, y'all. So now we're going to pull back that hair because the elastic band did what it needed to do. So we're going to pull it back. All the excess hair that I don't want, we're going to pull that back. Any hair that stays up in the front, that's going to be the baby hairs. Okay? Lord Jesus. Let me know if y'all got any questions, please. Like and subscribe to my channel. And we're just finishing up the styling right here. Oh, my alarm is. Okay. Curling it, curling it. I need a new curling iron, honestly. Um, but I don't want to spend a lot of money. That curling iron was like $40. And the hell don't. I just don't like how the clamp it started breaking. So I'll be having to bend the clamp back and forth or whatever. But it's a good curling iron. So the wax stick, that's the flaxseed and that's the spritz spray. And I use it to mold my wigs. It do be having that shit crunchy. It be having that shit laid and it be having that shit hard. But that shit be laid. So I don't know. You you go pick your struggle, okay? So we just laying it flat and then this part right here I am doing the baby hairs. And if you guys want a detailed baby hair tutorial, her baby hairs were pre-cut. But let me know. I think that's my next video that I'm gonna drop a baby hair tutorial. I'm gonna do another wig install, but it's gonna be mainly detail on the baby hairs on a fresh cut. We're gonna do cutting the lace and the baby hairs on the next video. So if you want that, like this video, drop it down in the comments. And the edge control that I'm using is Edge Booster. I'm not using no mousse. The mousse don't be giving what it's supposed to be giving. Okay. Edge Booster, it molds my baby hairs so that when it is time to redo my baby hairs over and over again, I don't always gotta do them. Like, I just gotta put them back. If you get what I'm saying, like, they might be flying, but they still be in a swoop motion. They still be molded into a baby hair. I just gotta put it back on my face, on my forehead. So hopefully this video was detailed, cause I'm trying my best, y'all. And tie it down on the lace again, voila. And right now I'm gonna finish styling her hair. And we're just doing some loose curls. Curls for the girls. Fit check, fit check. My outfit looked pretty good. I don't know if y'all noticed it in the video, but okay. Now, we're just curling it. Usually before I curl it, I make sure that I do use a hot comb to make it flat. That wasn't recorded in the video. But yeah, make sure it's flat before you style it. And whether it's crimps, whether you doing straight or whatever. And this wig, I'm gonna drop the video right there at the top so y'all can see where this wig from. So I'm spraying some spritz so we can hold the curls. You dig what I'm saying? And we just comb them out. And y'all, we almost done. I know. I've been talking for 15 minutes. Okay, y'all, so comb, comb, comb. We gotta make sure that shit is flat. If it's not flat enough, get you some mousse and it's gonna do the job. Okay, you're not gonna be able to keep going on with the hot comb and stuff like that because you might burn yourself. Ooh, you might burn yourself, but look at that. Scalp, it's giving. She feel it. She don't even see herself and she feeling herself already. Okay, so we're gonna get the alcohol wipe and we're gonna wipe any white. You know what I'm saying? Gonna wipe the white and we just gonna styling my girl Michaela. I'm gonna drop her Instagram. Y'all follow her on Instagram. Bad underscore Mona underscore Lisa. Yeah. Super cute. Fly bitch. Been that. Okay. And yeah, y'all just get into the details. Um, Let me know if y'all got any questions. Please like and subscribe. I'm gonna drop the description to the items that I use down below in the description box, from products to the curling iron to the wig. And yeah, no filter, no Philly, baby. We don't gotta use no filters. Up close and personal. It's giving what it's supposed to be given, customized and styled by your one and only. That girl, been that girl. Subscribe.